Hey, Jason, what do you find that most laundry owners get wrong?
So I think that I think it's exactly what I did. I think they fully don't understand the demands of a laundromat when you get into it. So
Yeah.
you think that it's a passive business, and some of these franchises they're selling as a semi-passive business. And I know people that run it very close to passive. So it can be
Mhm.
done, but there's a certain amount of you need a certain amount of knowledge base or somebody assisting you to get you there. But um,
Mhm.
so you really need to understand the demands because when you hop into one, like you need to be prepared for that phone call or ring whenever, especially if you're buying an existing store with older equipment that's unattended.
Mhm.
You're that place is going to work you. Like it's your
Yeah.
cleaning person's going to quit, or you're going to be cleaning the store every day.
Yeah.
Things are going to be breaking. So there's just a lot of things that you just don't know early on. Even if it comes like, oh, I'm just going to replace the washers.
Yeah.
Well, do you have the right electrical requirements? Do you have a drain trough or just, there's all these little things that go into, do you have the right water supply and everything? It's just, there's all these things that go
Mhm.
involved in, do you have the right size concrete under, how thick is your concrete floor? Like people just don't think of that because they don't
Mhm.
know. And I didn't
Yeah.
know, now I do, but yeah, so I think just not understanding demands and everything that goes into it are some of those things that people get wrong. So.
Mhm. Mhm. Mhm.